Hello everyone, welcome to all my new video. Today I will discuss about the business enterprise. आज की क्लास में हम जानेंगे बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज के बारे में। बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज क्या है? सो फर्स्ट we will discuss what is business enterprise. Business enterprise is an institutional arrangement. Is an institutional arrangement to conduct business activity. To conduct business activity. बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशनल अरेंजमेंट है जिसमें हर टाइप का बिजनेस एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट करते हैं। एंड बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज में बी रन बाय वन पर्सन एंड मोर देन बाय वन पर्सन। दैट मीन्स इट मे बी रन बाय वन पर्सन or association of a person. Overall, business enterprise is an institutional arrangement to conduct business activity and it may be run by one person or associations of persons. And next we know about the types of a business enterprise. There are three types of a business enterprise. First is the private sector, second is the public sector, and third is the joint sector. First of all, we know about the private sector. Private sector, these enterprise are owned, controlled and run by private individuals. These enterprises are owned, controlled and run by private individuals. Where in public sector, these enterprises owned and operated by public authorities. In private sectors, these enterprises are controlled and operated by private individuals. Where in case of a public sector, these enterprises are operated by public authorities. And the aim of a private sector to earn profit. But the aim of a public sector to provide goods and services to public at a reasonable price, at a suitable price. And the example of a private sector's sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership, cooperative organizations, company. These are the example of a private sector. And the example of a public sector, that is departmental organization, public cooperation and government companies. Overall, public sector is very different from private sector. In private sector, the enterprises are controlled and operated by private individuals, where in public sector, all the enterprise operated and run by the public authorities. The aim of a private sector to earn profit, where in the public sector aim to provide goods and services to public at a reasonable price. And the example of a private sectors are sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership, cooperative organizations and a company. These are the example of a private sector. And the example of a public sector, that is departmental organizations, public cooperations and government companies. These are the example of a public sector. And last type of business enterprise, that is joint sector. In this sector, it is the combination of a private sector and a public sector. It's the combination of a private sector and the public sector. So, partnership of a private and a public sector shows the joint sector. And the aim of a joint sector and the enterprise which are under the joint sector aim to develop technology and resources, private sector as well as the public sector. It focus in both public and private sector. Overall, these are the types of a business enterprise. One is the private sector, second is the public sector, and third is the joint sector. Private sectors are operated by private individuals. Public sector operated by public authorities. Aim of private sector earn profit, and the aim of public sector to provide goods and service to public at a reasonable price. And the example of private sectors: sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership, cooperative organizations and company. And the example of public sector: departmental organization, public corporations, government companies. And the joint sector is the combination of a private and a public sector. It is aimed to develop the technology and resources of a private sector as well as the public sector. Thank you.